Think you're ready to buy your dream home in Fort Wayne? Save for the down payment, you got your pre-approval, you found the one. But here's the truth. In 2025, the list price is only the beginning. There are unfortunately hidden costs that really could derail your purchase if you're not prepared. Let's uncover them so you can avoid any last-minute financial surprises. Hey guys, I'm David Brough with Anthony REALTORS, and just last month I worked with a couple who thought they were all set. They had about $40,000 for their down payment, a solid pre-approval, and a little bit extra set aside for closing costs. But before we got to the closing table, an extra $6,000 in surprise expenses, it hit them. Prepaid taxes and insurance and lender fees. So they had to dip into their emergency savings. And in Allen County, where homes are selling in just 36 days on average, and buyers are paying about 99% of the list price, the competition is still very fierce. So you want to be financially ready for everything. Let's talk about closing costs. In Allen County, they typically run between about 2% to 5% of the purchase price. And with the median sold price right now at about $290,000, that's going to be $5,800 to about $14,500 that you'll need in addition to your down payment. And these fees cover your lender charges, appraisal, title insurance, and escrow services. So always request a loan estimate early on from your lender so you know exactly what's coming. Let's talk about prepaids and escrow. Typically, lenders require you to prepay 12 full months of homeowners insurance and 3 to 6 months typically for property taxes right at closing. For Allen County's median price point, property taxes could mean prepaying $2,000 to $3,000 up front. And if you're buying in a flood-prone or high-risk area, expect insurance costs to climb. In 2025, rates are up in practically every zip code. Let's talk about inspections and move-in costs. A general inspection here usually costs about $300 on the low end to maybe $500 on the high end. Really just depends on the size of the home. But if you add mold, radon, sewer scopes, you can double that easily. In our market where inventory is just 2.3 months, buyers sometimes accept minor issues to win the deal, but those repairs, along with move-in needs like blinds, landscaping, replacing appliances, it can quickly run into the thousands. Let's talk about utility setups and deposits. Setting up electric, water, gas, internet, it's usually not free. In Fort Wayne, deposits can range from about $100 to $300 per service, depending on your credit. Some utility companies will actually require your first month's bill in advance, and these little costs, they can add up pretty fast, especially if you're juggling movers, boxes, and paint, stuff like that. So guys, I hope I did not scare you away from buying a home, because buying a home in Allen County is still one of the best ways to build wealth. Only if you're prepared for every cost, not just the mortgage. If you want a clear breakdown of exactly what to expect here in Fort Wayne, let's schedule a buyer planning session. It's free, it's no obligation, and we'll walk you through your numbers before you even make an offer.